everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I am so excited to be here with you. I just received my very first ever BoxyCharm premium box and I can't wait to open this up with you guys. I know I'm a little bit late. You've probably seen other unboxings. However, I just signed up this month and so I was put on a wait list and now I got it. So this box weighs 2.8 pounds and I don't know what's gonna be in it because I did not pick anything. They just sent me whatever they had left after I got off the wait list. Oh, this already looks luxurious. I am excited. My variation is 29 and the theme for this month is the Oasis. So right on top, it's this box right here. This is from Baddington and it says it's a brush set, a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. Whoa, that feels nice. Oh my gosh. Woo, these feel amazingly nice. These feel so soft. This reminds me of like a rabbit's foot. Have you guys like ever seen those, like those lucky rabbit's foots? Yes, these are nice. These are very heavy duty. Baddington Beauty, never heard of you, but I am like loving these brushes. Beautiful. So 2 brushes from Baddington Beauty. Nice way to start off this box. I love getting brushes. Oh my god. Okay, this is amazing. I already know, like, this is awesome. I love, love, love Too Faced, and I don't have very much Too Faced because it's expensive. So here we go, the Too Faced. Oh, I can't even see myself in the back here because it's like so reflective. Okay, so this is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it has a little heart. So the top 3 shades are highlighting shades and the bottom 3 shades are contouring shades. This is a gorgeous palette. Wow, this is a gorgeous palette. I like this blue, it's so pretty. It's like very calming. Here is the next item. It is by Zoeva and this is Eyeshadow Fix. So this gives you a nice matte canvas to work with for your eyes. This is a really cool thing to have. Great. I think this is like the only thing I knew I was getting in here because I think everybody got this. So this is by Glow Recipe. I love the way the bottle is. Like, I will just leave this sitting out because it's pretty. So this is an avocado melt retinol sleeping mask and I'm really excited to try this. When I found out that this was going to be in our box, I freaked because I wanted to try this for the longest time. It doesn't really have a scent, but I can tell that this is going to be so hydrating and absolutely lovely. Is it bedtime? I'm excited to have this. I'm thrilled actually to have this. I've tried the Glow Recipe watermelon one and it's pretty nice, but I really wanted to try the avocado one. I don't know why. I just think it looks like so calming. It like looks like a spa and like really relaxing. I love it. All right, so the next item I have in here is by Skin & Co. and this is a Sardinian shower gel. It smells pretty lemony and clean and fresh for summer. Actually, I'll probably get more use out of this than I initially thought because I'm like, I don't want to smell like a bucket of sardines. I don't know why, like Sardinian like really reminds me of sardines. But it's just like a lemony scented shower gel, so cool. Lemongrass, oh, lemongrass and wild orange. Yep, exactly. So shower gel, pretty decent size here. The last thing I have in here is from Kat Von D. This is the Inkwell liner. I like the packaging on this. It says to shake it. Ooh, my daughter's gonna want to play with this. Oh my god. It all like spilled out. Oh no, like look at it all like spilled out. It looked like I bled all over myself. Oh, that's never gonna come out. Rats. Well, why do I dump stuff upside down? Like, that was so stupid. I no longer think this is a cute package because when everything drips out, yeah, not good packaging. Like my daughter would say, what a mess. Yeah, I made a mess. Okay. So that was everything that I received in my BoxyCharm premium box this month. I will insert the value somewhere on the screen for you guys so you have that information. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. While you're there, click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!